Good morning, dear aspirant. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Firstly, I want to say you some student ask to me how do it a preparation. So I want to share some experience. If you do it a preparation of the Lakefall, then firstly make a strategy of the syllabus. Then do it a preparation. Suppose that partition of Lakefall syllabus Hindi 25 marks, mathematics 25 marks, and Gramid Paribesh, and fourth GS and current affairs. Then our most important role of for equal partition. And I suggest to you, please give a equal time to each portion. Then definitely you will be successful in any examination of conduct in India. So please, it is my recommendation and my suggestion. Please do it equal partition and do it proper strategy. And some student demotivated during the preparation because they will be in any examination failed, so they understand I cannot do it anything. It is your very bad negative thinking. Because प्लीज एनर्जेटिक बनो, मेरा इंटेंशन ये है एक एनर्जेटिक बनो. और प्लीज मेक अ सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फ्रॉम द village. If you are living in the village, please make a social distancing, because some peoples do it criticize because they are not want to become any post. So please kept a social distancing to the villages. And then I am successful in navy. Most of the people criticized to me, but I am not deviated. Some people are telling to me it is not a good job, but I am not come in misleading. I self take a decision and determined. Finally, I quit a decision and take and remove this job because I determined UPSC examination. I want to crack the UPSC examination, so I quit the job of the Navy. So at is that time be and it is my motive. Please not deviate of own motive and kept a consistency and do it proper hard work relevant to the study. Definitely I do it expectation to you. Definite you will be successful in the examination, because some are vacancy coming soon, Lekpal, police and other etc. So and my channel Path Education HD. I will be provide all content on this channel, but it is determined to you how take a decision and do it study. But and thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Then I upload any video, then arrived a notification to your mobile and you show it. And please don't take attention of the mathematics. It is our responsibility and skip to me because I am give a sufficient matter through the mathematics in short tricks and short content. Then it is useful for examination. So and reasoning will be studied by the Shailendra sir, and GS I will be provide a faculty sometime after. So please kept patience, not hopeless, because at that time mostly student frustrated because some people not make a proper strategy. So then the exam coming, so student will be very frustrated. How will we crack this examination? So I want to say, because make a strategy at present time, because police and other vacancy at a sufficient time, then 2 and 3 month duration, it is a very beneficial to you. And I give a sufficient content and tricks through the HD Path Education HD, but it will depend to you how take a content to this Path Education HD. Thanks, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel Path Education HD and press bell icon